Hi everyone, welcome to INOCYX Crypto Exchange. In this video, you will learn how to create account in INOCYX app step by step. Let's get started. First go to Play Store or App Store and search for INOCYX app. Download and install the application on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the INOCYX app. After opening the app, you will see the login page on your screen. At the bottom of the page, you will find the register option. Click on the register button to open the registration page. On the registration page, enter your valid email address. Next, create secured password and retype the password to confirm it. You will also see an option enter a referral code. This step is optional. If you have a referral code from your friend or family, you can enter it. If you do not have any referral code, you can simply skip this step. After entering all the required details, read the terms and conditions carefully. Once you understand and agree, accept the terms and conditions and click on the sign up button. Next, you will need to complete the email verification process. Open your email and check OTP verification sent by INOCYX. Enter the OTP and continue. If you do not receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. If you find the email there, make it as not spam so that future email will be delivered directly to your inbox. Once the verification process is completed successfully, your trading account on INOCYX app will be created. In the next video, you will learn how to complete KYC process in INOCYX app. Thank you for watching.